I mean, big though. Anyway, we got the McShaker bag. We're gonna show you. This was supposed to be a medium fry, y'all, but it's been picked out. So it's alright. It's alright. Got the green salt. That's it. Got it. This better be easy to. Oh! Look at this. You got the quality. So yeah, y'all, we got the green salt. Y'all see that? Alright, let's pour it in there. I ain't gonna do too much. Well, I'm gonna put it in on. Alright, yeah. But I might need a little bit on the side. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna sprinkle it. And we're gonna roll it. Let's try. Now I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gotta see this though. See? Oh, they season. Oh. So listen, y'all be putting my shit in the air fryer. Now if this season is sticking like that, that mean I air fried them right. Okay? We just gonna this first. We're gonna put that out there first. So there we go. Y'all see that? Oh,